Hi, this is Ashley, the founder of Think Digital Business, and in this video I am going to teach you how to add followers on Facebook. To help you do this, I will give you some tips and strategies that will improve your Facebook page and make your business even better and even stronger. So if you would like to know how to add followers on Facebook and transform your business, continue watching this video. Having a strong and trustworthy Facebook fan page for your business or brand is a key part of your Facebook marketing strategy. Here are some of the benefits you can get by adding more followers to your Facebook page. You can build brand loyalty. You can target your audience by location, demographics, and interest. You will be able to lower your marketing expenses with Facebook and reach more people that may be interested in your business. You can gain useful insights into your audience and increase your website traffic. You can give your SEO a boost and reach more people on mobile devices. And you can reach your ideal target market of customers. I will now give you some tips and strategies on how to add followers on Facebook page. Keep watching. Tip number 1. Run some ads to promote your Facebook page. If you would like to get more Facebook followers, the easiest and quickest way for you to get started is for you to run some targeted ads to build some brand awareness. You can run an engagement ad, which will help you increase the visibility of your brand on Facebook. Another very good way for you to start doing this is to run a promotion for page likes for around 4 to 5 days and then measure and track the performance of the ad. You can then tweak the ad and make any changes accordingly. Virtually any kind of ad that you choose to create on Facebook will most likely also create an increase in followers, even ads like conversion ads. If Facebook users like the ad content that you use in your promotion, they will more likely begin to engage with the post and potentially like or follow your Facebook page in the process. So if your goal is to get more store sales, you can run a conversion ad and still increase Facebook likes to your page at the same time. Tip number 2. You can invite people to like your page. You may find probably the easiest way to increase Facebook followers is by inviting people to like your page. When you start to create ads for your store or your online shop, Facebook will then occasionally send you notifications asking you to invite people to like your page. If you use the suggestion of running an engagement ad, you may find that you get a fairly high number of people that you could invite to like your Facebook page. However, you will need to be careful when you manually invite people because you may eventually get temporarily blocked by Facebook. So my advice to you would be to only send out a small number of invites per day on Facebook. Also, if you do get temporarily blocked, Facebook may still send notifications telling you to invite people, but at this point, you still won't be able to invite anyone. You will need to wait a day or two before trying to invite more people. You can also invite friends and family to like your page. However, you should try and keep in mind that it will be better to have a small, targeted audience of people than to have a big, broad one, as it could limit the effectiveness of your future ads. Tip number 3. You can create viral content for your business or brand. Another way that you can add followers to your Facebook page is by creating viral type content, which is more likely to attract more attention and increase social reach on Facebook. Some examples of viral content that you can create include funny memes and funny videos, informative training videos, and relatable quotes. Here's how it works. When you begin to publish viral type content, people will usually tag their friends in these posts, which will usually help increase social media engagement, but also helps to increase social reach. A good example of this is Chubbies, which is an online retailer who creates viral type content. Here is what they do. They regularly create funny content using their range of products. They will then promote an item like their shorts with a silly video about the problems that pants can give people. Now, because the scenarios are pretty dramatized, This will usually result in funny content, which helps boost social shares on Facebook. This will usually get around 250 likes and around 100 shares by Facebook users. If you don't think you can create your own viral content, you can always share viral niche content with your audience. You should always give credit to the creator of the content that you use if you decide to do this. Tip number 4. You can host a giveaway on your Facebook page. Another good strategy for you to increase Facebook followers is by using giveaways. They can be very effective to increase Facebook page likes. You can easily host a giveaway on your business website using a tool like Rafflecopter. You can also share your giveaway to niche Facebook groups or forums, giveaway websites, and of course on your Facebook page. Now, to make this strategy more effective, you can make one of the ways people can enter the giveaway is by visiting your Facebook page. This way, you will be more likely to increase the number of Facebook followers that you have. I would now like to give you an example of how this might look for you. The example that I'm about to share with you is a giveaway that Cat Lady Box shared on their Facebook page. Here is what they did. They used emojis to draw attention on the giveaway keyword. Now, because they shared the giveaway on their own Facebook page, it's likely that their Facebook followers will see it. They may share the giveaway post with their friends, which can also help increase Facebook followers. A good strategy for you would be to promote the giveaway on all of your social media channels. Here is an example of the Facebook giveaway that was published on their Facebook page. Tip number 5. Publish attention-grabbing content on your Facebook business page. If you would like to add more followers to your Facebook page, then you will need to ensure that your content is visually attractive and stands out in some way in the newsfeed. I would highly recommend that you use strong and professional looking visual content or short style videos to attract more attention and visibility on Facebook. Both visual content in the form of images and video style typically get the highest levels of interaction and engagement on the Facebook platform. And this is because this type of content will get the most interaction and engagement. It will usually lead to more reach, more social shares, and more brand awareness, which can result in an increase in Facebook followers for a business or a brand. So I would recommend to focus on creating compelling images and photos and informative and entertaining videos for your Facebook content. The best practice is to try and help people and entertain them at the same time in the form of visual or video posts. When you begin to publish content that is more visually pleasing, post entertaining or informative videos, your content will usually get more social shares on Facebook as a result. Your posts will also gain more interaction and engagement, and this will bring more visibility and awareness for your business or brand. The more users begin to interact and engage with your posts, the more likely it is that users will engage, interact, and follow your Facebook page. The key is to experiment and find a style and colour scheme that works well for your business or brand. The more often you publish content like this, the more visibility and awareness your brand will get, and this will result in more Facebook users checking out more of your content on your page, which can lead to an increase in Facebook followers. So, if you would like further training on how to add followers on Facebook in video format, please click the link below the video or go through to our website where you can have a look at our Facebook marketing training course. I recommend you study this online course because it will teach you how to add more followers on your Facebook page and show you exactly how to market your business or brand on Facebook more effectively. This training course is delivered in step-by-step tutorials, so it is ideal for people who have little or no experience with Facebook. Please check out the link below for more information. So now I would like to hand it over to you. Which tip from the video are you going to use first? You can tell me in the comments section below the video right now. I hope you have enjoyed that, If you have any questions, please put them in the comments section below the video, and I will be more than happy to help you, and I will respond to those questions. Please don't forget to connect with us on Facebook. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on my future videos. Thank you. And it would really help us if you gave the video a like. Thank you very much for watching this video and supporting the channel. I do very much appreciate it and wish you all the best with your Facebook business page. Have a brilliant day.